Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm Bearded Ford Tech, and today we're going to be talking about the Valvoline Restore and Protect versus AMSOIL. A lot of people have reached out and asked me questions about that, so we are going to talk about that. Okay, so what's going on with that is everybody knows the Valvoline Restore and Protect, or the people that use it say that it has been cleaning their engine and it makes their engine run great. It cleans all the carbon off the pistons and stuff like that. So I reached out to AMSOIL. Being a dealer, I can reach out to them, and they usually contact me back within a day or maybe 2 days. And I said, hey, look, a lot of people have asked about if AMSOIL is going to come out with a version of Restore and Protect like Valvoline has done. And well, they responded back to me, and let's look at what they said. You can see here where I said I'm an AMSOIL dealer. Had a lot of people email me asking if AMSOIL is going to do an oil like the Valvoline Restore and Protect. Through lab and real world testing, the Restore and Protect is working. I actually have had a few potential customers go with the Valvoline because I honestly couldn't answer that question, if they're going to come out with it or if they already have one. They responded back. Thank you for your message regarding Valvoline Restore and Protect. AMSOIL passenger car engine oils provide excellent protection against wear and deposits as demonstrated by several of our performance claims. For example, AMSOIL Signature Series provides up to 40% cleaner pistons and a double-length sequence, looks like a 3IH test, demonstrating its ability to prevent deposits from forming on the pistons. Additionally, AMSOIL High Mileage has 2 claims demonstrating its ability to clean up, restore, and protect deposits from forming on pistons and other engine components. While not a direct comparison to Valvoline's claim, they used a modified sequence 3IH test. These AMSOIL performance claims should help inquire prospects select the right AMSOIL product for them. Okay, so there you have it. They reached back out to me. Apparently, Valvoline Restore and Protect used the modified, was a 3IH test. But that's different from some of the testing that some of you have purchased the oil, and I know Lake Speed did a test on it as well. So I don't know what kind of modified testing that they did, if they did do it. I'll look further into that. But apparently the high mileage AMSOIL engine oil does the restore and protect. It'll clean the engine, restore it, and it'll protect it. So that's actually good information. So you guys can still keep using AMSOIL. And the Signature Series, which is what I'm running in my truck now, so I can send it off for testing for you guys. But that just had me concerned. I didn't know if they were going to do something about it, if they coming up with a new blend for it, or a new brand, a new kind of oil. But apparently the high mileage oil does the same thing that the Valvoline Restore and Protect does. So maybe after I test Signature Series, I'll do the high mileage, see what that comes out to do. So I appreciate you guys sticking around watching the video. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.